Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Bramley for an update. I'm not going to say weekly update because I've been here for a while. The crane moving all dead there. Get down shot while I'm talking. Yeah. The reason I haven't been here for a while is because Everton and LOR are just making it impossible for us to fly. They want us to fly on a certain time on a Sunday, and I think it's an hour window. I forgot now. And I've got kids. I do stuff on a Sunday with my kids, so that's just impossible to do. So I've been staying away because we've been getting emails about incidents, and I tell you what, the incidents aren't even incidents, if I'm being honest. What was it? Mr. Drone was here when no one was on site. He had his drone way above the height to keep it in line of sight of flying around the grounds, just like I am now. I can keep an eye on this drone wherever I go because of the height I'm at. So because he puts the date and time of when he's on site or at the site, do you think it's alright to scrutinise the videos and then start complaining about that they had their drone out at the same time? But that's not his fault. It went an instant because you could see their drone on his video and it's about 50 metres away. You know, that's the equivalent of nearly being in a car crash, but one car's on at Anfield and the other car's at Goodson Park. That's what you're talking about, you know, as being a near miss. It was nowhere near a near miss, and you know what? I'm here, everyone's on site, I'm keeping my distance, and I'm going to stick to the laws that the Civil Aviation Authority require me to do. I'm above the road and I'm not going to go anywhere near the site. Now we've had another email saying that they've had drones around the site, and then they started giving us mumbo jumbo of, what is it, about the land that they own. So, you know, let's just get it in sight here. So you say, even though you're not over the site, that dock there is theirs, the car park behind is theirs, so we can't go anywhere near them apparently either. But as I say, they own the land, they don't own the airspace. So I'm going to stick over airspace that's not even connected to their land, okay? We're just getting sick of it now, all of us. I'm just going to be the one that speaks out about it and do what I want. Because even messaged back saying that it's getting beyond a joke. You know, I'll stick to what the Civil Aviation Authority say I can. And they got back to me saying, okay, well, ask for another window. We don't want windows, we just want to be able to fly, you know. We're not asking for the world. So let's get a bit closer, because a lot's gone on since the blast being here, because I haven't wanted to come down because it's too stressful. Just trying to get some footage for you. So I'm just going to have a fly around, going to have a little look. And see, the second layer of truss has gone on this north stand here. The brick facade has gone on. It's come along nice along that side, down in that corner, sorry. Let's have a little look around there. I'm sticking well away from the site because people complaining that the drones are, you know, interrupting them while they're working. They don't even notice it's here until they see the videos. They think, oh, there's a drone in the air while we're working, let's complain about it. And I'll tell you what, they're exactly the same at Anfield and don't get one iota of trouble from them. They just leave us alone. tons and tons of stuff going on down there. And see there on the south stand there, that second layer of truss has gone up as well. I'm above the Mersey, I'm nowhere near interrupting anyone on site. I am going to go over the dock because they say they own the dock, they don't own the airspace, so I'm going over the dock. Just won't be interrupting anyone who's working. It's a shame because, you know what, I'd like to get a little bit closer and, you know, see exactly what's going on, but you know what, just got people moaning. They can't moan about this. I'm not interrupting anything here. I'll be doing it in my own time from now on as well, because I just want to get one out at least once a week. Sun shining brilliantly on that there. I might get a little photograph of that. No. You know what I was going to do today? I was going to bring me infrared cameras down and get some shots in infrared. Because I don't know how it'll turn out, but I think it might turn out quite well. But I don't know. But I just want to try it. But I haven't used my infrared camera for a while. And when I went to get it, the battery was dead, so it's on charge right now. Because normally I just grab my camera and shoot out and get out and take photographs. But yeah, I wasn't prepared for the dead battery. So that big red crane there, I don't know what that's it. Oh, it's got a little, yeah, it's got a little piece on it, yeah. I'm just looking at it from the ground here, so I'm looking at the, yeah, it's okay. It's lifting a piece, but it's not a major that, you know, that anyone's going to get excited about. So this is like starting again for me, guys. I can't remember what I covered in my last video. So anyone got any questions, drop them in the comments, okay? If you like the video, give it a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. It really helps me out. If you want to hear me rant anymore, I can do that as well. One more reason why I wasn't here, I haven't been down here, is I've had some family issues. I've mentioned it in my Liverpool video. I'm not going to keep banging on about it. Or some personal issues with a friend, that's all. So if you want to know what that was, there's a video I think it's about 6-7 days ago now that I put on. It's not my last Anfield video, it's the one before it. Okay, it's right at the beginning, so you don't have to watch the whole video, just you can click on it and see what's going on with me personally, that's all. I mentioned it for about a minute and then I crack on with the video, so you can turn off then if you don't want to watch the Anfield Road build. So yeah, this is just a quick fly around, me having a rant about not being able to do certain things. I am nowhere near the site here, they won't even know I've been here. But when they watch the video, they'll have something to say about it. Yeah, as I say, I'm trying to think what's in the thumbnail now. Oh yeah, it's when I said the truss didn't fit, it's that video at the beginning of that one. So you want to know what's going on here? I'm not going to bang on about it on here. I think people might be sick of hearing me mention it. But you can go on there, have a little listen to what's been going on and why I haven't really been out much. But this is just another part of it that Everton and Lango Road just want to be really difficult about things. There's that brick facade down there as well. So yeah, guys, I'll leave it there. Short but sweet fly downs. But I'll be doing these weekly in my own time. So anybody who wants to know anything, ask me, I'll find out, or I'll have a very good guess at it, at least. So thanks for watching and look after yourselves, okay? See you soon.